Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be showing you the best way to upgrade your single smartphone camera without having to upgrade to the latest smartphone handset. Smartphone cameras are getting more advanced with every new model, with some of the latest handsets having 2 to 3 lenses that help you create professional photos and videos that rival even the most professional DSLRs. If you're like me and can't afford the latest iPhone or Android model that comes with the ultra-wide depth sensing lenses, then we have a relatively cheap solution that can transform your camera in seconds. Olixar have developed a handy HD universal lens kit equipped with 3 lenses, including a 180-degree fisheye, a super wide angle, and a 15x macro lens to help you elevate your photography skills in a quick and easy manner. They're adaptable to fit any smartphone device with a simple screw-on lens and easy clip-on system. To test these out, we have the iPhone 7 with us today, which holds a single 12-megapixel camera. Though it's still a brilliant camera, it's limited to a handful of picture modes, with a x2 zoom and a panoramic feature. The lenses come in a little handy carry case with a hard exterior lined with a soft breathable material. Inside you'll find the 3 lenses, all with rubber caps on both ends to protect the glass, and 2 universal clips to secure the lens over your phone camera. The clips are quite large and do stand out significantly over the top of the phone, which is a little cumbersome, but the grip is fantastic, so there's no worry with them falling off accidentally. First to test is the super wide angle lens. The first thing I've noticed is the placement issue. It can be difficult getting the lenses in the right place to take a decent picture, and there are risks to scratching your camera lens when shifting it about, which is a little discomforting. However, when the lens is in place, it does make a nice wide image that takes a nice landscape photo. Of course, with the lens attachment, there are some issues with focus around the edges of the frame, almost blurring out anything that's not in direct focus. It's clear to see which camera is best when comparing it to the iPhone 11 Pro Max 13mm ultra-wide lens. But for the principal effect, it does a decent job when getting those wide-angle landscapes. Next, we tried out the 180-degree fisheye lens. Now, the iPhone 11 Pro Max doesn't have this kind of feature, but sometimes getting everything in frame can be difficult, and it does make a cool effect for those artistic shots. Again, there's the same issue of the edges being out of focus, but it does have a nice effect by drawing the eye into the middle of the frame. I like this lens. It serves the purpose of getting as much into the frame as possible while still taking a nice sharp photo of the subject in the centre. Finally, we have the x15 macro lens. This lens is exactly as advertised. You can get incredibly close to your subject, picking up the finest detail from the breakdown in ink in a printed image to the intricate details found in nature. Again, the iPhone 11 Pro Max doesn't offer this feature, with the closest image being the x2 zoom effect. Of course, comparing these images with the latest smartphone, there's a clear difference in the quality from the huge leap in technology between the two devices. The iPhone 11 Pro Max creates stunning, sharp images no matter what picture you take, due to the incredible 3-lens setup. But if you just want a little more range in what your phone camera can produce, then this lens set really kicks your photos up a level in a different way entirely. Our favourite out of the 3 has to be the 15x macro lens. It captures another realm of images naked to the human eye, and brings up some surprising details that you never knew existed. Though the wide angle and fisheye lenses have their flaws, the end result still offers that extra picture room that you couldn't replicate with the single lens alone. These lenses are low in cost, only setting you back by about £15. It's definitely worth the investment, and even if your photos don't have the same super sharp quality as the latest handset models, the results are still worth the effort. So that's it for our look in how to upgrade your smartphone camera with the Olixar HD Universal Lens Kit. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more quality smartphone accessory reviews, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thanks for watching.